how to use GPT for free without ChatGPT Plus. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you use ChatGPT for free without using the ChatGPT Plus. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the ChatGPT. So for that you'll have to open the application, or you can also open it from browser. So right now I'm opening from the Chrome browser. Alright, so after you open the Chrome browser, in this hospital you'll have to type for chatgpt.com, and after that you'll have to just log in with your user ID or Gmail ID. So after then you'll be able to see such interface. So after you log in with first time, and ChatGPT will provide you the GPT-4 with the some limited access. So from there you can see this GPT-4 interface. So from here I can easily tap on this plus icon just at the bottom left corner. So from here I can connect to my Google Drive, connect to my Microsoft OneDrive, or I can upload the pictures or files from here. So now I have the access of GPT-4 without ChatGPT Plus on my phone. So you can also use the GPT-4 free without ChatGPT Plus, but this feature has some limitations. So after you exceed the limitation, you will not be able to use ChatGPT-4 for free. So after then you'll have to just pay for it, or you can also wait for some couple of hours to get ChatGPT for free. Again you'll have to just wait, and after then you'll be able to use it again. So this is the easiest and simplest process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.